The Afrikaans language, you know, is incredibly descriptive, and the common name for these plants that I'm busy touching are called Joseph's kleed. What does that mean? It's Joseph's coat, and they've been around in gardens for years and years and years. However, now they've just had a bit of a pimp. They've had a bit of great selection, great hybridization, and what we find now are these amazing plants. They're called Coleus. They come in amazing names like wasabi and campfire, and you'll find them in all your garden centers in these beautiful, bold colors. For me, it's kind of a go-to plant because it's so adaptable. Whether it's the beautiful copper, or it's the striking yellow, or even the multicolored that you're looking for, they can literally go anywhere. Here in the bromeliad garden, where it gets a bit of afternoon sun, and that's about it, they perform beautifully and they work so well with the broms. In the full sun, as a potted specimen, fantastic. Yes, we tend to only put them in shaded spots, but you would be amazed when you put these plants in the full sun and just see how well they perform. So, make a change, move them, put them somewhere else and see how well they do.